Figure out. Figure out is to understand something, to solve a problem, or to find an answer by thinking. Now, what's important here is that the answer is not obvious. You need time, effort, or thinking. So if you figure something out, you think about it, you analyze it, and you work through it. The answer comes from your brain, not just from asking someone. Let's look at some common real-life examples in everyday life. You're on your phone, you recently downloaded a new app. It's not working though. You could say, I can't figure out how this app works. Or maybe you're cooking in the kitchen and one of your kids comes in and says, I can't get this toy to work. You could say, give me a minute, I'll figure it out. Or maybe you have a friend who has been trying to apply for a job on the computer. Every time she goes to finally submit her application, she receives an error that the application doesn't go through. But the next time she does something a little different and she's able to get the application to go through. You could say, she finally figured out the problem. We could also say, we need to figure out a solution. Or, he's trying to figure out what went wrong. Did you figure out the answer? Now, a common mistake would be to say, I figured out about the meeting. Instead, you would want to say, I found out about the meeting. You also wouldn't want to say, I found out how to fix the problem. It's possible, but the most correct way to say this would be, I figured out how to fix the problem. Much more natural. Now remember, for figure out, we're talking about understanding or solving, whereas find out is about receiving information. Let's look at some very common expressions Americans often say. We'll figure it out. We'll figure something out. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. This means we don't know yet, but we'll find a solution. Now, a quick quiz for you. Which one sounds more natural to you? Would it be number 1, I found out how to use the software? Or number 2, I figured out how to use the software? Hopefully you got this one right. It's I figured out how to use the software. I also want you to notice how Americans connect the words. If we were to say, figure it out, it sounds like figure it out. Figure it out. Figure it out. It's very fast and very natural, and we use this all the time. Now repeat after me. Figure out. Figure out. Figure out.